Look right here, we've got some creamy mac and cheese out of the slow cooker. This is a very tasty side dish to add to any meal, and this is one heck of a way to level up your mac and cheese. And when you're done with the video, you can check out the video description and copy all the ingredients right from there. Julie is getting things started by bringing some water to a boil right on the stovetop in a nice large pot. And once that's boiling, she adds 2 cups of elbow macaroni right to there, and she's going to boil that for about 6 minutes. You want to make sure you do occasionally stir this so nothing gets stuck to the sides. And while that's boiling, you want to get 4 tablespoons of butter and start melting that in a pan on the stovetop as well. And those noodles were cooking for about 6 minutes, so Julie did take that off of the stove and did strain that in the sink, so that's standing by as we do melt the butter. That butter is melted, so now we're going to add 2.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese right into there as well, and we're going to fully stir this into the butter, resulting in a nice creamy and very cheesy cheese sauce. We did speed up Julie here quite a bit, but you can see that she stirs this the entire time that cheese is melting in. Now she's going to set that aside once it's fully melted. And it's time to break out that slow cooker. We're going to fully spray this with a canola oil before we add anything to this. There we go. And now we'll start off by adding in our cheese sauce fresh from the stovetop. And we've got the remainder of all the ingredients all standing by just to add in here quickly. Starting off with a 1/2 cup of sour cream right into the pot. Next up, we have a 10-ounce can of condensed cheddar cheese soup, and we're going to add this right into there as well. We do usually shop at Aldi, but this is something that you cannot find there. We've got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt adding into that pot here. So if you have salt, I guess you also need the pepper. We're adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper right here. Perfect. Next up, we've got some dry mustard. We've got a 1/2 teaspoon of this going into the pot as well. And to add in a little bit more creaminess, we're adding in a cup of milk. This is 2% that we're using here. And if you want this to be even more creamy, certainly use whole milk. Now we've got that whisk, and we're going to fully mix this together before we add in our noodles that are standing by after being strained. And there's our noodles, sticking together just a bit here, so you do want to mix this up so they're nice and spread out and fully mixed into that cheese sauce. Then we put on that lid for the slow cooker, and we're going to turn this on low and cook this for 2 hours. And now let's take a look at the results. Oh yeah, look at that, that's looking good. Let's give that a nice little stir, and we are ready to serve this. And we humbly invite you to click that subscribe button if you'd like to see more content from our family to yours. And speaking of other content, there's another video right up there that YouTube thinks that you might want to take a look at. We appreciate you joining us, and until next time, God bless.